morning, guys. We are catching a Flixbus to country number 21. This is kicking off a crazy end of the year back in the Schengen. And since we're taking another Flixbus, we thought it'd be a good idea to share some tips and tricks since this is one of the last bus rides we're taking. We are so excited and have so much planned, so all that excitement starts today. Let's get on this tram.
As soon as it comes.
I thought it was on its way. It looked like it was coming for me.
So we got about an hour from now until our bus leaves, but I know our bus will get here a little bit early because I believe our bus originates in Zagreb. That is a huge, huge factor. Especially when taking Flixbus, you always want to be at the origin of your bus, because if you're not and you're on a stop on the way to another city, like for instance, we're heading to Ljubljana and the people in Ljubljana might be heading to Munich where this line ends. However, because we're crossing into the Schengen from Croatia to Slovenia, we have to have our passports checked at the border. The folks getting on in Slovenia won't have to have a proper border crossing all the way to Munich since they're already in the Schengen, but they might have to wait and there might be a delay. So we're lucky in the fact that I believe this bus originates here in Zagreb. Hopefully we should leave on time at 12:15, but you never know. So I believe we're sitting in the arrivals area, so now we gotta find departures. Both times we've been to the Zagreb bus station, we've only arrived, we've not departed from here. The last time we were here, we flew out of Zagreb, so this is so much more than I thought it was. It's like a full-on terminal.
These little mini pizzas have basically saved us this entire trip. They're so good.
They're like €1 each.
So I just checked to see if our bus was here, and it is. So we are scrambling to go downstairs and hop on it before everyone else gets here, because there's no seating assignment on this bus. Okay, perfect, thank you. We're taking the bus to Ljubljana, which should be about 2.5 hours long, so not too long. And we bought our tickets through Flixbus online. It's like €30 for both of us.
We're kind of playing musical chairs because some people were allowed to buy their seats, and we did not get that option when we purchased our seats. So we've been bouncing around, but I think we're where we are for good now.
That was a toll booth, but we're still right at the border. We're pulling up now.
We did it.
It did not want to focus on your face until the last second.
All good.
So we're already halfway through passport control. We've gone through the Croatian border and now we are about to go through the Slovenian border. Just as soon as everybody else gets done with their passport check, the bus will pull up, we'll hop on it and go to the Slovenian border. This is a lot quicker than I thought it'd be. It said that it's normally 2.5 hours. Well, there's a long line for the Slovenian border, so maybe that's where it's gonna take a while. The Slovenian border has been a long wait. We're finally getting close to the front of the bus line. Hopefully we'll be through here in the next probably 20-30 minutes maybe.
We made it in.
Finally.
We just have to get there now. The longest part is just waiting to get to the border crossing. That's the longest part.
It's like an hour from here to Ljubljana.
Yeah, so not too bad.
It was a long one, but I'm glad that we're finally in Slovenia. I can't wait to see this country because I hear it's incredible. All right, first impressions of Slovenia.
It's been beautiful so far.
Really pretty.
I'm really excited.
I can't wait. I've not known much about it outside of Lake Bled, which we're planning on going to. Can't wait. This is gonna be fun.
I'm flashing forward in time real quick because this couldn't have worked out any better. We're on our way to Munich right now, and this bus is the bus that you would take from Zagreb to Munich. Now, you're not gonna stop at another border because you've already been stamped into the Schengen area. Once you're stamped into this Schengen area, you won't get stamped again until you leave the Schengen area. It was a little confusing for us during our first few months of travel, so just wanted to call that out for all of you. Now back to the video. We made it! Honestly, I've been blown away so far. I hope that we captured some of the beauty that we saw on the bus ride here, but there's mountains off in the distance.
Guys, look at this view.
This little balcony.
I mean, if you think this view is good, just wait till our next vlog.
Rambling, sorry. You can cut that, Hannah.